hold it normal.
I like this. So fun.
Hey, don't screw it in too hard, just till it goes all the way down.
It's so fun to make a robot.
Is the second one tight? Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Yep, it's tight.
Okay.
Hey, it's green. It's like working, but it's fun.
You're doing good, baby.
Oh, it's in. Hey, I think I must screw just a little more tighter. Yay. Now it's good.
Okay,
Yay.
Daddy will check it.
Hey. Ooh, this is tricky but fun.
Yep. Remember, don't run them down too tight. Just run them down to where they touch.
Why you with an empty screw?
I didn't.
You did.
There's supposed to be 4 of them.
One. Which one you started? I feel tight.
Well, run them all 4 down, and then Daddy will check them, okay? You have to get all 4 where they feel tight.
This is tight. Ow.
Okay, if you think that one's tight, move on to the next one on the other
Whoa.
side. Oh, careful.
I got lucky. Yay. Yay! What are you doing?
You gotta do the 2 on the other side, baby.
I know I'm not doing it.
Okay.
This screwdriver is hard.
Yeah, well, you just gotta get used to holding it, baby. You're doing good. Okay, hey, go to the other side. Those 2 are probably good.
Yeah, I feel tough. Oh, this one is too tight.
No, they're just started. You just gotta run them down.
This one is already run. Wow. I need to switch sides. We building a robot. Yay!
Yeah, we are working on building a robot.
I think he's already doing cool stuff. Like,
It's gonna balance, is what this one does.
and do other stuff.
I don't know.
It's a robot. I think they're all. Yay. Oh, this is tricky.
Careful.
I am. Oh, not again. This part is tricky, guys. On a web. Super hard to screw.
It's okay. You just screw them in, then Daddy will check them.
Meh.
No, use your hand.
That part. I think they're done.
Okay,
Yeah, ho. Yay.
Okay, take and poke it back in the hole.
It's super hard.
Okay.
We only
Now-
have one chance at it.
Yep.
We only have.
Pull it all the way down till it's tight. Okay, that's good. That's good. Good
Yay,
job.
ho, ho. Hey guys, I'm gonna be building a robot. This part is easiest though, like the last part. That last part is tricky. It was the wheels.
Yeah,
The wheels is tricky, guys.
they are. See, we got the wheels put together.
They're pretty tricky. A screws is the most. I think it's tight.
Okay, Daddy will check it.
This part is tricky. Wow. Oh, already pre-made. Oh, wheels work. Yay.
Tighten the screws down so it's not wobbly, baby.
It's getting less wobbly. Yay. I think this is great.
Okay.
It still wiggles.
Well, are you ready for Daddy to check it?
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, he's testing our wheels. They're really fast. They're really well.
Okay, go sit down. Go sit down over there, baby.
Look. You see this? You see?
Pick him up and turn him around.
It's like a little guy. Yep, yep. It can't drive on anything yet.
Pick him up and turn him around. Don't push him.
He went.
Don't push him. Just let him go on his own.
Good boy.
Just let him go. See? Eh.
Come over here.